Little shop update. Put this over here out of the way. Yeah. The pod, this is the 15th of November. The pod will be here next Wednesday. I bought my first load of boxes from the Orange guys. For those of you who may have been on Usenet news groups back in the day, in the early days of the internet, Rec.Woodworking, the Orange guys and the Blue guys were referred to as the Borg. So I bought my boxes from the Borg. These are the 12 by 15 by 10 inch heavy duty boxes. And they're small and heavy duty because tools are heavy and you don't want the boxes coming apart or getting holes poked in them as you move stuff around. So I got the heavy duty one because stuff's heavy. When Mark Spagnuolo moved his shop, he recommends getting this stretch tape, which I got a roll of stretch tape so I can tape like clamps together and things like that, and wood, so that they'll remain together in one pile, as it were, and they're easier to move around. Tape and extra tape for the boxes. I got a lock, which is one of the high strength boron carbide locks. It's welded together. It's nearly impossible to cut with a standard grinder. And that's going to lock the pod. So you have to buy your own lock or they buy one from them. I have this one in my shop for a while. So a few changes. The cabinet I was going to build over here is actually going to be 2 Craftsman tool chests sitting up on a toe kick base. And it's going to have a total of about 20 drawers or more with those 2 cabinets. One is 52 and one is 41. But everything else is going to be the same. I'm going to move all the rolling tools and stuff out of the shop into the pod so I can get to the other tools and I can start packaging those up and putting them in the boxes. So that's it for now. Stand by. There will be more video as I do things, and I'm probably going to stick one of my action cams up here and do some time lapse, because how boring is it to watch someone move stuff into a pod? So having said that, and with this little update, until the next time, make great things out of wood and make your shop neat. Wait a minute, why would anybody want to do that?